Good to go, Junior?
Yep.
All righty. Y'all go with these stretches. I'm gonna give you a display. I done already did mine. It's for the wake up the Achilles heel, the calf muscles. You know, all the way up to your neck, back of your neck. Wake up all them nerves. Yeah. I also do these. Do about 3 sets of these also. Yeah, do about 10, 3 sets of them, and move up like 10, 20, 30, 40, depending on your weight. Go up to about 50 once you got it down, and do a couple sets of them. All right, let's see where we at today. Five. Come on, Junior, let's ride. Ooh-wee. That's 5, man. When I started off, I couldn't even do a half of one. And that was four weeks ago. I'm up to 5. That sounds like it's good, but I'm trying to get to 3 sets of 10s. So I still got a long way to go. I ain't in no hurry though. I'm gonna just stay busy, stay consistent. All right, let's get our first workout in today. Let's get to this gut. All right. 3, 4, 5. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You gotta go at your pace now. Ooh-wee. It's only 95 degrees out here today. You know it's so hot they closed the schools. You ain't really supposed to be out here. It's a heat warning. Look around. You don't see nobody out here today. Soldier up today. All right, let's get some of these arms in. This help a lot with the stress around your neck, you know, shoulders. Nine, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. And I always gotta do my neck exercise. How my neck looking? Is it getting any better? Yeah. Check me out on my old video. Super fat. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, y'all. These are the easiest exercises y'all can do with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down with it. Nine, 10. What I tell you about that neck? Work them fat rolls out. I ain't playing with it. Get up under that chin. Yeah, buddy. Been a lot better in 4 weeks. I done lost 20 pounds. Got 25 more to go though. I reached my objective, then I'm just getting started because I'm staying in shape. I'm gonna stay making videos. You know, I'm a little winded already. Come on, let's some more of these. 1, 2. Use my walk lights. 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, I appreciate my son coming out today, working with me. You know, that's how we get in. All right, y'all, I ain't gonna let up. We ready to rock. I'm gonna reverse them. Eight, 9, 10. If it seems nice and quiet out here today, it's a reason why. It's at 95 degrees. Ooh-wee. Like I say, if you walking with me, walk at your pace. You know. We're gonna do this 3-in-1 today. I ain't gonna do too much. The 3-in-1 cool. Where we at on the minutes, Joey?
6.
6 minutes, Dougie Fresh, you on. Okay, I'm gonna make this a 10-minute dipper. Just cause it's so hot out here today. I don't wanna be the one to fall out. There you go. Let's get them on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh-wee. Yeah, still left. Like that in. You know, you can go to my old videos, check me out. You can get the 5-minute starter kits. And you get up here to these 10-minute dippers. And then I got a few 15, 20, 30-minute ones. You know, take your time though. Like I say, I'm trying to lose 40, 45 pounds. I'm halfway there. Feeling good. Hope y'all walking with me. You know, do the same. I appreciate y'all to be riding with me too. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Y'all ready? Nine, 10. 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm gonna come over here and do these arms, but that don't mean stop walking. Now if you get a little winded, sit down. But otherwise keep walking, man, cause that 10 minutes ain't up. Let's roll, Joe. Let me know, put a hand up or something. Let me know when we at there. Okay,
1 minute left.
a minute. All right, calm down. I ain't done with y'all. Come on. 10. Yeah, you in the house. You know? Put on a bunch of sweat gear. Make sure you sweat, man. You know what I'm saying? Get that body weight up. I ain't gonna lie. I feel good out here today. Here we go. Get a neck exercise in. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ride with me now. Eight, 9, 10. All right, get that neck there. Just now I'm busting a sweat. Yeah. Got it on there. Got my Michael Jordan on today. You know, representing. Yeah. You see my bingo dippers? Wait for the natty to start playing again. Hope they do a little better. They do a little better this year. Natty bingos in the house. All right, y'all. That's a nice 10-minute dipper. Appreciate your son. Everybody, I wish y'all luck. There's everything else we got to do on our own. Okay, walk life.